Hello there. There was a really good sale everywhere on Myntra and on Savana, your favorite place to shop. But I'm not always happy with Savana orders because many times they deliver really late and also the quality is not good. So I stopped buying from them, but I thought I should give it a try again. Maybe there is a difference this time. So I bought few items and I'm going to show you in this video because I know you need recommendations because there is a good sale almost on every website. And I also bought some activewear items because I know you all have body goals to achieve in 2026. And I know there is nothing more motivating than wearing some cute outfit for a walk or for yoga classes. I also made a reel about activewear, so make sure you check that, but I'm going to show you those items in this video again. But let's start this video. I'm going to start with Savana items. So the first item that I bought is this burgundy dress. It's a fishtail dress that has ruffles around the neck. It looks cute. It looked cute in the image, but when I bought it, I tried it on. This is how it looked. I feel like the fabric was good, but the fit was off on me because maybe I'm short or maybe I'm not confident enough to wear it. I like these ruffles and the fishtail detailing. And also there is a ribbon that you can tie. So it looks cute. It really looks cute. If it's for you, you are going to love it. And I'm really impressed with the fabric of this dress. I'm wearing size small, so if you're someone more healthier than me, this one will fit you perfectly, but on me it was a little bit overwhelming and like I said, the fit is a little bit off on me, so I don't know if I should keep it, but I really liked it in the image. It was really cute for like a New Year dinner. So yeah, if you think it's for you, you are gonna look amazing in this dress. Considering the height, I'm 5'1" by the way, you will look better in this dress. But for me, it didn't feel like the right fit. The detailing is really amazing, probably the highlight of this dress. The back looks great, the front looks great, and I'm wearing shorts inside, so it shows up. So that is another thing to consider. If you're wearing something under this dress, it should be seamless so it doesn't show up over your dress. So you can judge the dress and decide if it looks good because there were reviews. I feel like people are mostly praising everything on Savana. I don't know, maybe they get some points, but the next top is really good. When I saw this top on the website, I was like, wow, I need to get this one. It has this detailing in different fabric and the buttons are really cute, really matches with the vibe of this top. It is actually a shirt, so the sleeves, the detailing at the sleeves and the collar, everything looks really good. Even the length is good, the fit is great, the fabric is flimsy polyester. So if you're not into that kind of fabric, you might not enjoy wearing this, but I really liked it, especially the detailing at the end of the sleeves and the collar. That is amazing. I bought the size S and it fits me perfectly. The handcuff detailing is already attached. You don't have to fold it or do anything about it. It's just already done for you, so you don't have to do anything to get that look, which is why I love this top. And the color is perfect, goes with everything. I actually bought this top to wear with this skirt that I bought from Savana a few months ago. You have seen it in my other reel, but I thought it will just go perfectly with this skirt. And in the video, it looks really great. Let me know what you think. Does it go well with this skirt? But it has this lining that you would get in a polo t-shirt. So yeah, I love this item. Then I bought this flare jean. It really looked perfect in my opinion in the image on the website, and again I instantly wanted to buy it. I just added to my cart and I thought the size I selected was good and I matched everything with their size chart, but it is little bit long on me. Again, if you're taller than me, if you're above 5 feet 2, it will perfectly fit you without any worries. If you want some simple and flared pants, this one is really good. It has medium stretch to it, and I love the flare in this. The flare is just medium again, not too big, not too small. Just makes you look snatched from the upper body, and then there is flare going on at the bottom, so it really looks great. But again, it is too long on me, and they don't even have replacement service, which is really disappointing. There must be a reason why they don't have it. If I need another size, I need to send them back and then purchase another one, which is really hectic. So I don't know if I want to do that, and I don't know if I want to return it, but please let me know if you think it looks good on me. They have a variety of jeans, like really good collection on their website, but this one was attractive because it is simple, it is flared, and I thought it is just wearable everywhere. You can wear anywhere. But the sizing can be tricky, just like every other website. And if you're shopping from Myntra, they have just something else going on. Their sizing is never matching with the actual product. Then I have this burgundy top, again from Savana. Again, when I saw it, I needed it really badly because it looked so chic and the model was looking really classy, put together, and I'm really looking for that kind of style. And when I received it and I looked at it, I was like, man, this is too big. I love the color, I love the fabric. It is polyester, it doesn't stretch, and there is this collar on it. You can probably wear it to your office, and the detailing is just so amazing. The way it's made, I really love it, but again, it's just too big on me. And I think it was extra small or small and still doesn't fit me. So again, if you're someone bigger than me, it will really suit you and look good on you, but for me, it's really big. I love the detailing, the tie on the back. You can tie it, make it look like you have a waist. There is a little bit of lace detailing going on. But one thing I felt instantly after putting this on is that it was kind of restricting on my arm. Like if I move my arm upwards, the whole top is going up. Keep that in mind if you're going to buy this top. And there is no stretch to it, so it doesn't move with your body. Instead, it will restrict your arms. And the length is short from the bottom. So if you want to wear it as a cropped top and you don't mind exposing your belly, then go for it. It will look good on you. Now let me show you some activewear that I bought. First item is this sweatpant. And before I tell you anything about this sweatpants, I will tell you that this cost me only 295 rupees. Yes. Now check this out. This is in cotton fabric, but I was worried before buying it, and that is because whenever you buy a cheap clothing item, the fit is always off. Sometimes they do one leg short, one leg long. Sometimes there is extra fabric hanging off your body. So I was just worried before buying it. But I was like, it's just 298 rupees, let's just try it. And when I received it and I tried it on, it felt amazing. The fitting is great. For the size S, it fits me really good. Fabric is cotton and I like the design on it. Everything is just perfect about this. So if you wanna buy anything from this video, buy this sweatpant. Now let me show you items that I bought from H&M. First one is these flare pants. I have worn these few times to my yoga classes. The stretchability and the comfort is really good. There are few more brands that make good flared pants and leggings. So if you want suggestions, definitely ask me in the comment section. But this one is not just good, but also expensive. So if you're ready to spend that much, then go for it. But there are so many in the market these days that you spend less money but get good quality, just like this one. But this one has great comfort. I would rate it like 9 out of 10. And I'm wearing size S, so go for the size S if you are 5'1", so you can get the perfect kind of length. To match with it, I bought this brown top. It's just a simple top, great stretchability, you have no restrictions when you wear it, perfect for yoga classes. And to pair with these pants, quality is great. There is no peeling on this top, which is the case with many other tops that I bought from Amazon. So of course the quality of this one is better than those. Also it is affordable, so it's good to have one of these. Also I couldn't test sweat thing in these clothes because it's winter and I am not sweating to see sweat spots on my clothes. So we will know in the summertime. And now next one is these burgundy leggings, again from H&M. This one is just okay-ish, but it was also very affordable. I bought it for just 700 and the fit is, I don't know, it is very thin. I like it, I would wear it, but I'm not confident in this. Yeah, it is stretchable and everything, but if you want something affordable and you don't mind how thin it is, then go for it. But even though it is affordable, on sale, I would say just keep it. And because I have obsession with burgundy color, I bought another item in the same color, this jacket top. I love it. I have worn this couple times. One negative point I would tell you about this is that it attracts so much of dust. Like after waiting for 2-3 hours on my trek, I had so many particles being stuck on this top. I was like, did I just roll in some dust? No, I didn't, but that is how it looked. But I avoid clothing items that attract so much of dust. So that is one drawback of having this top. But if you can ignore that, this is a really great top. I'm wearing size S. Stretchability is great, quality is great, and by the way, it is the same fabric as the leggings, and I bought it to pair with those leggings, but I only like this top. That is it for this video. I will see you in my next video. I hope I was able to help you and suggest you something that you can actually try and practically wear in real life, because there are so many people, they wear dresses, clothes just for the camera, and we can't really wear those in real life, in our everyday life. If you think I really helped you, please like this video, and if you're new here, subscribe to me. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.